Okay, get out your history packet and go to page 39. We're going to do page 39 and 40. And the title says what governments do. So in the box, it reminds us the government is a group of citizens chosen to lead a community, state, or country. And so the directions are saying use your textbook to complete the sentence about the right that allows these people to do these things. So you're looking at the picture and you're trying to decide what right are they using, and then you're going to complete the sentence with the word. Now there isn't a word bank, but you are allowed to use your book. So the 2 pages I just read you will have some kind of answer to help you figure out what word would go in that place. And since this is a graded paper, you can ask for help reading the page. You just can't ask someone what the word would be to go in the blank. And then number 3, it says circle the sentence that shows how the law protects citizens. So if you notice, there are 3 different sentences. So you're going to circle one of them. And you're going to be looking at this sign, looking at this picture to help you see what law it protects. And then go to the back. The back, you will see this is called a pictograph. Now we're going to learn more about pictographs in math, and I know you learned about them last year. So what a pictograph is, if you look at the box here, it says a pictograph uses pictures to show information. And here's a key. It's letting you know what $1 bill picture equals, and it will equal tax dollar. So for example, here is how much tax money goes to the schools. Here's how much tax money goes to the roads. And here's how much tax money goes to the parks. So you're going to use the pictograph to find the answers. You'll read the questions, and then by looking at the pictograph, you should be able to choose the word schools, roads, or parks. Remember, this is graded, so do your best, write neatly, and always check your work. And remember, you can use your book for the front.